Welcome back to Gleaner Artistics. Here we explore the fascinating world of paint, coating, and industrial varnish and do it yourself training plus color mixing and home decor. Today we are diving into a very special request from one of our subscribers at Shamzat365 who wanted to know how to produce electrical varnish for electrical motors or car components, I guess. If you're working on electrical vehicle or need to protect high performance electrical components, this video is for you. I'm going to take you through a complete step-by-step process on how to make 100 liters of industrial grade electrical varnish. You will learn about the chemical involved, their ratio, and how they work together to create a protective coating that can withstand heat, moisture, and electrical stress. Now, why electrical varnish? Why is it so important, especially in electrical vehicles? Let me share a quick story. A few years back, long time ago, I was working with a team that manufacture electrical cars for industrial equipment. One of the biggest challenge we faced was heat management. The motors will overheat, causing significant wear and tear. The solution is a high performance varnish with excellent thermal resistance and the electrical properties. This varnish not only protects components like stators or rectors, but also increase their lifespan by insulating the foam, heat, and electrical discharge. And that's why I had to help at Shamzat 3651 by making this tutorial because mastering this process of varnish will help you protect and maintain the electrical component in your EV project. Let's go over the chemicals you will need for 100 liters of varnish. These are industrial grade chemicals designed for high performance. Here is the breakdown. Number one, epoxy resin. Main binder. It provides electrical insulation and adhesion. Two, xylene. Xylene is one of the solvents to reduce velocity. We will use xylene as our main solvent to dissolve the resin, reducing velocity so that the varnish can apply smoothly. 3. Methylene ethylene coating, which is the MEK, another solvent to improve drying time. MEK speeds up the drying process, which is crucial for quick application on production lines. 4. Citrine monomer. This is a reactive dilute for hardeners. Citrine will react with the resin to make the varnish harder and more durable. And the fifth chemical is polyurethane resin. It adds flexibility and impact resistance. Polyurethane resin ensures that the varnish remains flexible, which is the key in environmental with mechanical stress. The sixth chemical is cobalt naprotanate, which is a drying agent. Cobalt dryer as it accelerates with the curing, allowing the varnish to set faster. And the seven is lead naprotanate. This is another drying agent for thick coating. Lead dryer helps ensure that the thick application cure properly without staining or sticky. And the eighth chemical is silicone resin. This adds heat and moisture resistance. Silicone gives the varnish the ability to resist high temperatures and moisture, perfect for electrical motors. The ninth chemical is boronine nitride. This chemical enhances the therapy conducting which is the conducting. This is a special additive that helps transfer heat away from the electrical component, reducing overheating. And the 10 is aluminum pterodactyl. This flame retardant acts as a filler also. A flame retardant and filler makes the varnish safer and stronger. Then we have the UV stabilizer. The UV stabilizer protects the resin from UV degradation. This additive will protect your varnish from UV damage, making it ideal for outdoor components. So now, let's get into the actual production process. Follow these steps carefully to ensure you get a high quality varnish every time. Step 1, we start by heating the 40 kg of epoxy resin to about 70 centigrade to make it easier to mix. This reduces velocity, making it blend smoothly with the solvent. Please make sure you use a large tank for mixture and stirring while heating. Step 2, next, we gradually add xylene to dissolve the resin. Then we pour our MEK, stirring continuously for about 20 minutes until everything is well mixed. Make sure to wear your goggles or gloves to protect your skin. And step 3, now we add our polyurethane resin to improve flexibility and citrine to harden the final product. Stir well for about 15 minutes to make sure these chemicals are fully incorporated. Step 4, at this stage, we will introduce the cover dryer and lid dryer to help speed up the drying process. Then we will add our advanced additives, which are the silicone resin and bromomer nitride and aluminum pterodrates. Then now, we move over to the final stage. We'll add our UV stabilizer and anti-skinner agent. Now, you mix everything thoroughly. You have to stir all the chemicals for about 20 to 30 minutes to ensure a smooth, even consistency. So after stirring all the chemicals to make sure they blend together, your varnish is ready. So now let's talk about packaging and quality control. Once your varnish is fully mixed, it is time to package. It is always it is always advisable you use a airtight drum or containers to prevent air from running the varnish consistency. Store the containers in a cool, dry place and always label them properly with production date and badge numbers. Then let's talk briefly about application tips. When you are applying this varnish, I recommend you using tiny layers for electrical motors or EV components. This will ensure the varnish dries evenly and provides the best protection for whatever project you're working for. Remember, this varnish is designed to withstand up to 200 centigrade and has excellent electrical insulation properties. I hope this video was helpful, especially to Sham Sat 365. If you have got any more question or requests, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out. Also, check for my number on the screen of this video to reach out to me for our advanced ebook with the ratio and measurements. It is affordable. Or check the link in description. And don't forget, yes, don't forget, a lot of you just come to watch the videos, you don't subscribe to our channel to support us, and also you don't even drop your comment and you don't like the video. Please, it is advisable and it's very important that you subscribe. Subscription is free. You have to support our channel if you like what we do to enable us grow faster. And of course, drop your comments below. It is very important. From your comment, I'll get to know you more and I'll be able to attend to your needs. And most especially, I usually offer free ebooks and free discount price for each of our courses, and it takes just 1 week after each videos have gone live. Once the 1 week has expired, the free ebook has ended and the free discount offer has ended. That is why most of you reach out to our consultant or you reach out to me and I tell you that the free ebook offer has been expired, because I expect you to turn on your notification bell so as soon as each video goes live, you'll be able to take advantage and of course get the free ebook to support your painting manufacturing business growth, and of course take advantage of the discount for any of our paint training courses. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye for now.